Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with product empties video. You guys love my product empties video. I thought of skipping this month because I didn't have much of makeup and skincare to show to you guys because I didn't end up using anything last month. One of you guys commented that they are waiting for product empties video. I couldn't resist myself from shooting this video, so I thought why not show all the practical and realistic things that I've emptied out. It's not gonna be very particularly skincare makeup. There are like a lot of miscellaneous items and I just thought I should share it with you guys. So without any further delay, let's quickly get into the first product that I'm going to show you is this candle from Bath and Body Works. This is the Vanilla Musk White Barn Bath and Body Works candles. This is the 3-wick candle. I burnt this candle so much the last month because I don't usually burn candles every day. Only days when I get time and when I'm gonna like sit in my bedroom and relax for a while. When I have that kind of time, that's when I go and lit the candle. Otherwise, daily के routine में तो मुझे time नहीं मिलता है. I'm just like coming from work, then going to gym, coming back, having dinner, and then going off to sleep. But last month, because it was a little bit chaotic for me because of the trek and everything, I wanted to calm myself, so I pulled this out every day and burnt it. This is one of my favorite fragrance from all the candles that I own from Bath and Body Works. If you can see, thoda isme andar bacha hai, but the wick kind of gave up. I'm not able to burn the wicks anymore. Otherwise, मैंने पूरा यूज करा है इसको. And Body Works candles are so good, they are potent and they are very long lasting. This one candle I have been using it for 1 year. Of course, I don't burn it every day. So occasionally burn karte hain, unke liye to it lasts a long time. Evic candles are very potent, very powerful. If you burn them, then within 15 minutes, if the room is closed, it's just gonna make the room smell so good. So what I do, I come from work, I burn it and then go to shower. Once I come back from shower, the entire room smells so divine. So you guys know I'm a vanilla lover, so obviously I need to own a vanilla candle. This candle is so perfect. The blends are whipped vanilla, soft cedarwood, and sweet musk. So it is a pure, supremely nice blend of creamy vanilla and musk. It is the I wish they come up with a perfume with exact fragrance. It is so good. If you guys are a vanilla lover, you can definitely give this a shot. I'm sure that you will like it. This costs for whooping 3,299 rupees. These candles, they started out for 1,500. Just imagine, hiked up the price so much. When Bath and Body Works first came into India, it was just for 1,500. 3 weeks was for 1,500 if I'm not wrong, and the one single wick candle was 9,999. But now they have just increased the price and half. You guys know me, I never pick up any MRP, so obviously I got this for 12.99 rupees. Not even kidding. So always look out for an offer when it comes to Bath and Body Works. You will definitely find it on a much price. Never pay full price or MRP price for Bath and Body Works. So for 12.99 it's very good. Probably if I go to store and I find this variant on a sale, I'm definitely gonna purchase it. So that's that. Then I have a very miscellaneous item. This is the Soulflower bath salt. So I got this way back 4-5 years हो गया इसको लेके, and I never got time that much to use it honestly. I'm always in a hurry. I just shower and come back. So whenever I get time, maybe during the weekends, I pour some of this salt. It says it relaxes. It's aromatherapy. It's psychological, to be honest. I don't know. I don't have a tub, so probably tub mein bath salts works, but bucket use karte or shower mein, I don't feel that it's relaxing that much. But I wanted to finish this. ये expired भी हो चुका है. You can see the condition of the bottle is so bad. ये expired हो चुका है, but I really wanted to finish this. This smells roses straight up. So this is in the variant rose geranium, and this is the 500 gram quantity. MRP is 450. Obviously, I did not get it for 450. ये अच्छा खासा quantity है, बहुत कम लगता है. It's potent again. It smells straight up rose. I'm not gonna open it. I know because मुझे यहाँ से भी बाहर से भी smell आ रहा है. Entire bathroom is gonna smell rose. The water gonna smell rose. So if you want to get exported to a rose garden, a fresh rose, it doesn't smell artificial. It smells exactly like fresh roses. And if you guys are in a lookout for bath salts, then I would say give this a brand a go, because this brand does come with other variants of bath salts. So this was a decent one. Will I repurchase it? I don't think so. I'm going to repurchase it because it was just too tedious for me to use. And it was not practical for me to use. So for that reason, I'm not going to repurchase. But if you guys are on a lookout for a bath salt, and if you guys like roses in general, then give this a shot. Then the next product is the Bath and Body Works mist. Sorry, this is the strawberry snowflakes mist, and this one is for, I guess it's from the 2399 collection. This is a winter collection, you guys. I've done a whole dedicated Bath and Body Works perfume mist. If you haven't watched that video, please go and check the iCard. I'm gonna link it on the iCard button here. Many of you guys commented that this is a seasonal variant and it's gonna be restocked in during the winter. I am waiting for them to restock this one because this is so good. I have already explained this fully in that video, so please do go and check it out. I'm not gonna explain this fragrance again. It's a sweet strawberry, vanilla, creamy kind of a fragrance. Nothing that triggers your mind. It is long lasting as well. Again, I picked this up for 999. Seasonal variants वो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा 999 में निकालते हैं. That's when I got it. If I'm gonna find this again, I'm gonna purchase at least like 2 backups because this is so good and it lasts really long as well. I'm gonna leave the notes on the screen just so that you guys can have a better understanding. This is my favorite. I carried this in my work bag and I finished it in like 3 months straight up. So I'm definitely gonna repurchase this and I love this fragrance a lot. Next product that I finished is the Sanfe Face Acne Clearing Patch. This is the hydrocolloid one. It's a decent one. This is the only brand that is available in Zepto. The other brand that is available in Zepto is Gub, which is really bad. Gub acne patches are really bad. They don't work, but the Sanfe one works. I can say I cannot repurchase it because this is the emergency acne patches that I can get it from Zepto immediately. For that reason, इसको मैंने बहुत बार खरीदा. But is this my favorite? No. For two reasons, इतना अच्छा काम नहीं करता opposed to the regular ones that I use, but it's also expensive. So you get only one sheet, 70 to 50 rupees, and one sheet has like 72 patches. Slightly expensive. Ek sheet for 250 rupees is expensive. It works really good, not bad. So for that reason, I wouldn't recommend you buying this. But my all-time favorite pimple patches are from Urban Yoke that you get it from Amazon. Sadly, they are not available for Zepto. So one day delivery hai, but then you get it the next day. But acne patches, if you guys are acne prone skin, you guys know acne patches are an emergency aid. I want it right now because they work overnight. Then I finished the 2 Nivea roll-on because I traveled and I went for trek and etc. So I obviously ran out of the deo roll-ons. Nothing to say about this. These are 0% alcohol. If you guys have any irritated skin or dermatitis issue, alcohol in general, if that doesn't suit you, you can give a go, which has like, they have a lot of fragrance variations when it comes to 0% alcohol. So you guys can absolutely give this a shot. Then I finished the cleansing balm from Dot and Key. You guys know I love this Dot and Key cleansing balm. It comes with a protective lid. It has a very nice packaging. It has a very good soothing strawberry smell. It melts all my waterproof mascara, the makeup, everything. Does not leave a very strong oil residue. Baby cleansing face wash से वो clean, squeaky clean हो जाता है तुम्हारा skin. Very good cleansing balm. I'm definitely gonna repurchase. The only problem is they are very tiny. It's a 70-gram quantity. I really wish they come up with a bigger tub like a 250-gram or more than that. It would be really helpful. Apart from that, nothing more to say. इसके बारे में मैंने काफी ज़्यादा बोल चुकी हूँ मेरे other videos में. I have another product. This is I think this is the only makeup product that I have, if I'm not wrong. This is the Mars Hydra Glow Primer. I'm not sure whether this product is available or not. लेकिन 2 साल पहले ये product काफी viral हुआ था. That it had like 2 variants to begin with. So that's when I purchased it. Arnakshi, she raved about this primer because she belongs to a dry skin family. So I just purchased it. Don't get me wrong, this product is very good. It performs really good. As you guys can see, मैंने इसको almost पूरा खत्म किया है. It's a 30 ml quantity. I don't know for how much I got it. बहुत ज़्यादा oily है. It's a straight up oily primer, but the makeup glides on your skin so beautifully because it's an oily primer. आपका स्किन को बहुत अच्छा प्रेप करता है. It's obviously a makeup base. You cannot just wear this and step outside. You're gonna look like a pig in a poop. But definitely for oily skin people. But this is gonna work very nicely for dry skin people. Me, after some time, when I'm stepping out, my skin kind of feels little oily in the center of the face, even after setting it with a powder. But baki mera skin काफी glow दिखता था. The reason why I have not finished it is because first of all मुझे इसमें expiry date नहीं दिख रहा है, and I threw the outer carton, so I don't know कब तक ये expire हुआ है या हो चुका है. If you guys can see, नीचे जो है इसके like the oil kind of separated. That's not the problem, but it has this white residue at the top. So if I shake it, ये सब shake हो जाता है, mix हो जाता है, but then it does have a white powdery residue, which I'm not sure whether it's safe to use. And second of all, it has the smell has gone rancid, so I think the product got expired, so I stopped using it. Skin के problems का कम है कि मैं expired products on the skin use करके और उसको खराब कर लूँ. So see, since I've tilted it, ये kind of mix हो चुका है. Now it's not looking pink. It's like a cough syrup, to be honest. So I'm not sure whether this product is still potent. Also, the smell is bad, so that's the reason I'm like discarding this product. But oily skin people, combination skin people, I think you can skip this product. Also, let me show you the consistency. It is oily, it is runny, it's very moisturizing. So this is the product. It looks so glowy, so dewy, and so moisturizing all at the time. So dry skin people, this is, you're gonna enjoy this. That is from the House of Pink Foundry. This is the overnight acne spot protector. This is the product, and this is not to be used all over your face. This is to be used only on your active acne. So this is the product. So I have few things to say about this product. So this is the overnight acne spot corrector. It has sulfur, salicylic acid, zinc oxide. It dries and heals, and it is suitable for all skin types, to be applied at night. It has a moon picture right there because it needs to be applied on at night, and it is for 15 ml quantity. So you guys know sulfur, zinc oxide, and all these ingredients is really good for drying out your acne. So how you need to use this is, first of all, you cannot tilt and shake this product. You have to keep this product upright. So एक बार once it get delivered, I would suggest let it sit like for some time, for few hours, so that it gets in that exact form. So basically नीचे आपके सारे product रहेगा और ऊपर water रहेगा. So that's how it's supposed to. You're not supposed to shake it. Then you try to open it, and with the help of Q-tip, your earbud, you kind of dip it in and then remove the Q-tip, and then wherever you have active acne, you just kind of like press like press them in dots. So that's how you're supposed to use it, and leave it overnight, and that's it. It works. It does have a little bit of burning and tingling sensation for a few seconds, and then your skin get used to it, and you don't feel that anymore. So when you have active acne, it really helps in subsiding your pain, and it kind of reduces its size, and it calms it overnight. I wouldn't say overnight magic है, 2-3 दिन इसको use करना पड़ता है. Your acne really gets calm. So I really like this product. Again, I haven't purchased it because I'm not having any active acne right now. My skin is irritated, but I don't have active acne. So it does have a smell which is close to camphor. I don't know whether they have camphor in it. It's aqua calamine. It does have camphor. It does have camphor. That's why the camphor smell is prominent. It does have isopropyl alcohol, aqua, calamine, camphor, glycerin, sulfur, zinc oxide, salicylic acid, and talc. So but थोड़ा इसका ये बमर हुआ कि इसमें प्रोडक्ट अभी भी बचा है, but the liquid form kind of evaporated. So I couldn't use this too fully. It does have a little bit of quantity left. So ये basically product wastage हो गया, which I'm not a fan of. So overall, it's a very good product. Have you guys used any product from Pink Foundry? They do have a lot of skincare range. So I haven't used any other product except for this. If you guys have used any product, let me know in the comment section below on how well it worked for you guys. I would like to venture this brand a lot in future. Then I finished 2 of the mini plum products because I carried this product in my trek. So this is the first one is the Plum Body Loving Body Oil. in the variant Vanilla Vibes. So whenever I'm traveling, wherever I'm going, I carry these mini body oil because it's very travel friendly. It's very small and compact. Or plus, you require a lot of product when you're using a body oil. Little bit of body oil on a damp skin is just enough to cover the entire body. So I have been using this mini oil for so many trips and treks that I have gone in the past year. So this is a very nice travel hack. Rather than carrying a body lotion or a body moisturizing cream, this one works very well for traveling. And also it comes with a safety cork, which I think I have removed it, and so it's really a leak proof. Even though I carry it in a plastic wrapper, but it never leaks, so it's very perfect for travel. It gets a thumbs up from me. So vanilla body loving की vanilla vibes body oil के बारे में ज़्यादा बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. It smells good, it's good for layering, and it's moisturizing and everything. And I also managed to finish this small teeny tiny 5 ml quantity of vanilla vibes. Again, I carried this for my trek and I layered this together. This is the vanilla vibes, not the smoking vanilla one, the vanilla vibes, the OG variant. This is a small quantity. I finished this and it's really good. You can also fill in it for travel purpose. ये container खुल जाता है and you can fill this and again use this container for sure. I'm not gonna use it this one because I have a lot of mini variants going on, so I'm just gonna throw this one. So this is a very straight up vanilla fragrance. You guys already know about this, so that's that. I'm not gonna rave a lot about that. Then I managed to finish another product from Dot and Key. This is the acne clay mask for acne prone skin. So this has been lying down in my vanity for such a long time, like years and years. I guess 2-3 साल तो आराम से हो चुका है. You know, back in the days when 2020 or even before COVID, clay masks were a thing. Different brands used to do like clay masks. So then over the time, clay masks took a backseat and people were only using AHA BHA peeling solutions. So even I fell into the trap and I was also going according to the trend. But this mask is so good. Anyone from oily, sensitive, and combination acne prone skin need to have clay masks in general in your skincare routine because the way the clay masks clean out the pores, nobody else does it. Like this, physically, you will feel it cleaning your pores, and along with it, it's also gentle. So, this is the pollution plus acne defense green clay mask. It works really good. I have finished it completely after coming back from trek. I did use this along with the foxtail purple mask. Fragrance is really nice. Clay mask in general, when you first apply it, kind of has a burning and tingling sensation for like about say 15 to 30 seconds, but after that it kind of settles up, and then you keep this for 20 minutes, not more than that. Once you start to feel stretchy, that's when you remove it. You don't keep it for long, otherwise your skin can become drier. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to repurchase this. I'll surf what other masks are there in the market right now, so probably I'll buy that one. Or if I don't find any, I'm probably will go back to this one. Also, I like that Dermacoke salicylic acid mask is also good. It's always good to have a plain clay mask which does not have actives. See, if you have actives with every skincare step, it's gonna again damage your skin barrier. So have a clay mask from any brand which suits for you in your skincare routine if you are an acne prone skin. The sunscreen, this is a no-brainer. I had to finish a sunscreen every month. So this is my favorite face skin SPF juice. I really love the packaging. It's very nice, classic, and it comes with a pump. I'm not sure whether any other sunscreen brand comes with a pump. I've nailed it with the packaging because this pumps out the last of bit of ounce of product. So अभी तो मैंने इसको खत्म कर दिया है. So let me show you the texture. It's like a juice. It's like a water. It spreads like a water, gets absorbed like a water. It's like your skin is drinking the water. That's how it feels. It's so good. It is slightly pricier, not gonna deny, when you compare it with the conventional Aqualogica and Dermaco face sunscreen. But I don't mind paying the price for the things that it does. It's gram quantity and the MRP is 600. I got it for 540 rupees. इतना ज़्यादा offer नहीं चलता face skin. Check the Tira website because they do have coupon code, whooping coupon code, so wherein you can get an additional 50 rupees offer. The best part is they do come in 100 ml quantity, so I'm gonna purchase the 100 ml face skin juice, and I think I'll be sorted for a couple of months straight. So this is definitely a repurchase, and I would recommend this highly to try out this sunscreen because this is a very nice sunscreen out there in the market. Then I finished a Pilgrim ka ye hair growth serum. This is the Pilgrim hair growth serum. This is also a very viral product. Not like the Wishcare one, but you guys know I didn't like the Wishcare hair growth serum. It didn't work. It didn't show any results even after finishing the entire bottle. But this, on the other hand, is very nice. It works very nice on my hair and on me. Per se, I cannot vouch. I cannot compare these two, but I know this worked for me, so I already have a backup. I'm already starting to use it. I got this one from the Pilgrim's website on buy one get one offer, so एक के price पर मेरे को दो मिल गया था, so I'm like super sorted. This is the Pilgrim Retinol and again advanced hair growth serum with green tea. It works, you guys. It works on my hair, but you have to be consistent. You cannot see results magically. I have been using this serum for 1 year right now, and I can clearly see a lot of baby hair and a lot of like my bald spots are covered. So I'm very happy, and I'm gonna continue using it. It's gonna be like a staple product, and I'm gonna keep repurchasing this product over and over again. Then I finished one medicated shampoo. This is a Atex shampoo from Cipla brand. This was prescribed to me by a dermatologist when I had an eczema on my scalp. This I'm talking about 2020 because of stress and everything. I don't know. We were working constantly in the COVID, and it was a very stressful period for all the medicos out there, for everyone in general, but medicos can relate to me. It was a very stressful period. I don't know, my dermatologist said that because of stress, I had gotten that eczema on the scalp. It was not a dandruff, but it was like a flaky dandruff kind of a thing. But it was not all over my scalp. It was like concentrated on certain parts. So that's when my dermatologist prescribed this, and it says you can wash your hair with this every day. Since then, I'm hooked onto the product. I am dandruff free since almost 3-4 years now. I don't get dandruff at all. I follow a certain routine, and it works well for me. So I'm sticking to that routine. As I always say, you need to have a cleansing shampoo in your skin, in your hair care routine, no matter what kind of hair type you have, because always applying a moisturizing hair shampoo and conditioner is definitely gonna cause a little bit of buildup on your scalp. That's when these kind of shampoo comes in handy. The kind of cleansing shampoo that I use is this one. This is the shampoo that I use whenever I need to cleanse my scalp. So at least in a week मैं एक बार तो इससे wash करती हूँ. That ensures that your scalp is quickly clean. But I wouldn't suggest you guys go and get this product. Is available over the top counter in any pharmacy, but I still would suggest run it through your dermatologist or consult a dermatologist if you have any medical condition. So this one works for me. I continued using. I really thank the dermatologist whoever prescribed to me. So that's that. I think with that we come to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. I didn't have much of makeup or skincare in general, but this was a very miscellaneous. I had to do this because you guys have been requesting for the product empties video. I'm already late in posting this video because, as I told, I had no plans of posting this video. I thought that I'll skip this month and the next month I'll like combine everything and together. But काफी products हो चुके थे मैं post करती तो I'm sure this video would have been like 30-40 minutes long, and you guys have been already complaining कि मेरे videos बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे हो रहे हैं and you need chapters and everything. So I'll try that मैं next time से थोड़ा कम बात करूँ because I think I get carried away. I love talking to you guys. I love talking in front of camera, I think. So I think I just get carried away in like explaining the product, why it's working for me, why it's not working for me, but I need to like calm down a bit and be crisp and brief about the reviews. I'm gonna add the link of the playlist of all the product MCs video that I have done so far so that आप लोगों को तकलीफ ना हो. You guys can click this video, start watching. So without further blabbering, I'm gonna take off. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.